What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Deadpool37. Um, what we're gonna do is today we're gonna do a install video on the manual, pretty much manual shifter for the automatic. Uh, yeah, shouldn't be too hard. I mean, I've already done a video on it, but I had too many issues and the camera fucked up. Then I dropped the damn fucking little ass screw off inside of it, so I'm gonna show you that, guys, on the video there. Guys, please don't make the fucking same mistake I did. I was gonna start the video over, and I don't know if you can see the screw, but you see it down in there, that screw, like right, it's like literally right there. Yeah, I dropped it in there, so now I gotta get it out. Okay, so anyway, first off, you want to start by removing this. Well, first you want to turn your car on, which I already have mine on. Put your car in sport mode, pretty much, and also you want to have your e-brake pulled up, like so. I'm gonna pull it up. That needs to go up. Also, while pulling my e-brake up, I found some very strange shit. It turns out my girl had spilt some shit in my car and did not tell me. Yeah, look how nasty that shit is. I don't even know what the fuck that shit is. It ruined my whole life. Like, my whole day is ruined. I don't know what the fuck that shit is. So anyway, back to what we were supposed to be doing. Gotta pull this out, like so. Done. You want to lift up on the chrome, if you can get your hand up under it. Mine is pretty much halfway popped out because, like I said, I already did the video. But you'll pull this up, but please be careful. Once you pull it up, you take it off like so. Once you take it off, you come back here. You want to reach on this corner and give it a tug. Gotta put some force to it. That shit kind of hurt. Let's see. Just be careful not to break that right there. You pull up again on the other clip. I don't know why everybody keeps saying, you know, be gentle, bitch. You have to pull this shit off hard. Yeah, you don't have to pull that off, but I did just to get it out my damn way. Once you come up, the rest of it should come out. There we go. I'll just put this shit back in. Okay. Once that's out, you'll have the cord. On this cord, it'll be this tab. I don't know if you can see the tab. Let me see, how can I get the camera position? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a tab right here. Squeeze in on the tab, and it should fall right out. Let me switch hands. You'll squeeze in on that tab, and it should just fall right out. There we go. See, it's out. You squeeze on the tab like right here. Pretty much position your hands like right here, and it'll come out. Once that's done, what you'll have is these two screws. Please, and I mean please, do not drop that shit. It will piss you off. All the thing you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Here, while I try to get this out. Okay. Everywhere but the hole. Come on out of there. And she's out. After that, you'll lift straight up. See, now you have these two holes. You need to remember where those holes are. You also have this shifter. Okay, what you do is you'll pretty much just pull that shit straight out. So I'm gonna set this right here again. Well, this right here comes off first. and done. That's what it looks like. Next, what you want to do is, this is your shifter, okay? You want to grab the this right here. We'll grab that. Pretty much, once you take that, you'll pretty much just put this on here. It should fit pretty damn easy actually. Yeah, you'll have this little part here. You'll just sit there and sorry about that. Stand for this shit. But bam, done. That's it. That's all. Okay, now I have my levers back on. What you do is, you're pretty much, like I said, the holes have to be facing the screen. Put it in there. Make sure the holes are aligned. You want to be able to see the holes on the actual shifter itself, and this you need to make sure. So you see I have the holes are pretty much aligned. It's kind of twisted, but let me straighten it out. The holes are pretty much aligned. So after you do that, you want to go back. Oh, there we go. Once you do that, you'll feel for your holes. Still feel for them right there. There's one of them. See if I can get that twisted in. It's kind of crooked. Let me go back out. Okay. Okay, I now have this one in, and pretty much all I have to do is twist. Twist that son of a bitch in there. Get your ass in there. Yeah, get your ass in there. Yeah, get your ass in there. Alright, the next one I'll be doing is this other screw. You see I have the first one in, and the second one should be right above it, right there. There we go. That's it. I mean, I have it in there. It's not going anywhere. Next thing you want to do is just reattach everything and you're done. It's connected. Pull down and you see it shifts. Click everything down. Take this. Click that in good if you can get it in. Kind of have some problems out of mine. Probably have to readjust that boot. There we go. What you want to do is, in order to get this right, you want to push the back part in first, and then put the front in. So we're done with this installation. It looks damn good, especially with my interior. You know, my interior looks orange due to the sun, but see if I can catch a great angle. Fucking steering wheel's kind of fading, but I mean, other than that, my red accents, yeah, it goes good. You know, I have a race red car, and see if everything works. You push it down, and well, I have to turn the car on first, so. Push it down in the neutral. Push it down in the drive. Push it down, she's in sport mode. Everything is fine. If you want to go to drive, you know, tap and push down. Other things, you have to push down. So it's spring loaded. Like I said, it's spring loaded. Everything's okay. Put it in drive. Now put it in park. And we're done with this easy installation. But if you fuck up, you make it difficult. I want to say my experiences, it was pretty okay. I mean, I fucked up some, but you know, it's part of learning. It's also my first blog video or / install video. So other than that, I mean, I like it. This is the old shifter. As you can see, it was starting to wear out. I actually had to trim that part because it was cutting my hand somehow, but that's got some weight to it. I mean, that's me, you know, it doesn't shake really, but other than that, this has been my install video. Please like and subscribe.